We got some awesome kids with us on this trip. Savannah, Logan, Kev, and Bri are all up and playing outside already, and it is 6:30. So, oh, you need the ping. Well, you gotta wait till the sports desk opens to get the ping pong ball.
I know.
They're up so early that they can't even get the ping pong ball yet. All right, day 2. It's our first full day on the ship. It's a sea day. It's about 6:30 this morning, and we got up nice and early. You know, I like to watch the sunrise. And we are at the pool deck, getting ready for a nice fun-filled day at the pool. We're across from the splash pad. We're at the main pool. We have water slides behind us. And so I have Kevin and Savannah here. Guys, how was your trip so far?
Good.
Yeah, you having fun? What's your favorite part?
I really can't tell that since it was the ultimate abyss.
Always, Kevin. Savannah, do you know what you like the best so far?
No.
Just everything?
Yeah.
And we got Logan and Bri over there. What's up, dudes?
I like the ultimate abyss the best.
Yeah, was it super cool? Did you go on it once or more?
3 times.
3 times already?
Yeah.
And we haven't even been on the ship a full day.
I think my favorite is honestly, I like the sports related stuff on board. So I like the pool, I like the mini golf course, I like the abyss, I like ping pong, I like stuff like that.
Yeah. I apologize for the sound because I forgot my mics. So you guys, if you can hear Bri over there.
And of course, if you don't know me, every restaurant on the ship.
Yeah. So everything's been great so far. I think we're all having a really wonderful time. Moms are looking for some coffee. And as soon as the dads get their butts up here with the sleepyheads, maybe some breakfast. All right. Any plans for today?
No, I do. I'm going to try and go on the ultimate abyss.
Yeah.
Ultimate abyss.
Did you go on it yet?
No.
You didn't do it yet? Logan did it 3 times and you didn't do it yet.
Because I went back up to my room because I was super cold.
Well, I get that. Isn't it crazy that you can be down here in all the sunshine and still be cold?
Mom?
Yeah.
Wait, Mom.
Yeah.
It's isn't it that the ultimate abyss opens at 2 and closes at 5?
I have to check it, but that sounds about right. Yeah. Wait.
Yeah, because I remember. I'm pretty sure I remember that from last time.
Yeah. What do you think, Luke?
So I went on both sides of the ultimate abyss, and the one on the right had music, and the one on the left didn't.
Oh, is that right? Oh, that's interesting. That's a good tip there.
The one on the right did
Logan
have
went on
music.
both sides of the ultimate abyss because there's 2 slides, and the one on the right had music, and the one on the left didn't.
I think the left went faster, and the right
Yeah.
went slower.
Ooh, maybe I should go on the slower one then.
The right goes faster and has music. Yeah. The music is what I think it lifts you off the ground, so then you shoot down. Yeah. And then it goes. Yeah, because that took me like 5 seconds, bro. 5 seconds to go down. Is it 7 stories?
I think it's more than that, actually. Yeah.
8 stories. 8 stories.
8 stories. It's a big slide.
Yeah. 8-story slide. 5 seconds going down.
You guys can go on and on. All right. I'm going to shut this down and enjoy the scenery.
Oh